What up, it's your boy T-Bird here with new reaction. So, yesterday I did a reaction to a video called Sounds 90s Kids Will Remember. So that video was lit. I did one from that was on YouTube and then one that was on Facebook. So while I was showing all my coworkers the video from YouTube, I see he had a link for more sounds from 90s Kids Will Remember. So this is like a continuation from the last video. So let's see what more sounds we remember from the 90s video game, from 90s as a 90s kid and 80s kid. Last one was I had a little bit 80s kid stuff in there too. So some might have some of the stuff that was on my Facebook that wasn't on this video, but we'll see. Let's go. Nintendo, the Game Boy. Ha! Super Mario. Oh, still, nah, the size guy. Look at those Jim. Oh yeah. Oregon Trail. Pepperoni. PBS. Pogs! Oh my god! I actually owned some for a while. I was collecting them at one point. Sega Center. Oh, Dreamcast! I ain't own one, so I ain't know the intro for it. Zelda, Ocarina of Time. That'd be different one. Right back. Oh yeah.
Did somebody say McDonald's?
Oh, okay. Hell yeah, remember the Pop Profession commercial? Go Profession. But oh yeah. Before that was up, boy. Got milk, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go to the world! More from Liar.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
What's this from?
Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
What was that from?
Well, you know, that's just like...
I remember it, but I can't think of the movie.
Your opinion, man.
So remember, oh, Mr. Plow.
Mr. Plow.
That name again is Mr. Plow.
X-Men. This game is the shit. This game was the shit. Oh my god! Whoa. This is not even. This is the first Windows, not the earlier Windows, not even 95. Wow! I forgot about that. Damn. 92. What you keep talking about? I ain't know about this. They ain't no shit about this one. They finally got me on the one. That must have to be a 90s baby toddler for know about this.
It's Wayne's World!
Wayne's World!
We're out!
Oh man, this is a good
Thanks
video.
for watching my video. More sounds 90s kids will remember. Please.
This is nice, man. This is a good lineup right here. Y'all stumped me with the Living Book one. I never seen that one before. But I'm trying to remember what movie that was from the quiz when he said that shit. Was that Billy It can't be Billy Madison. Nah, I don't think so. What? At least see anybody in the comments say where that movie's from. Oh, really? Somebody said, can we go back in 90s? 2017 is boring. Kiss off. Anyway, oh yeah, the brand drugs. Nobody asked for that. Yo, I'm trying to see if anybody. Oh yeah, the extra files intros, man. Good little thing to look at. He got a lot of videos I'm looking at too. Y'all see? Do I have to still up? Yo, he see two ones he got there. He got top 90s holiday tours of the 90s, holiday episode of the 90s. Yeah, he about to get. Did I subscribe to me yet? I didn't. Well, you about to get a new subscriber, buddy. Oh man. But I'm trying to figure out the movie. It's gonna hurt my ass, so like I'm about to say screw it. Help a brother out on that one. The movie when he said about the idiotic question though, like it was Jeopardy or whatever. Can y'all please remind me what movie that was? Cause I'm trying. It's right in my brain. I can't think of the movie right now. I remember that scene, but I can't remember the goddamn movie though. Anyway, but if you like my reaction, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, or like my Facebook page. It's your boy T-Bird signing off. One love.